Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to draw an enlargement. Well, this means that this figure is going to be larger, okay? And how do I know it's definitely going to be larger? The scale factor is more than 1, okay? 3 over 2 is like 1.5 times. And in this case, larger. So if the scale factor is less than 1, we would know it's a reduction instead, smaller, okay? So here, this is just something that I would like to do. I would like to count the number of squares. In this case, this will be 4. There is 2 square here. And this diagonal basically is 2 by 2. And the diagonal below is 4 by 2. So you can draw this enlargement anywhere in the given space. So I will start off with this red color line here. And I will focus on 4. So 4 multiplied by 1.5, you should then get 6. Okay, so I'm going to draw here 6 squares. 1, using red color line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, because 4 times 1.5 equals to 6. Next, green color line on top is 2. So 2 times 1.5 is equals to 3. And therefore you will see Mr. Tan here drawing a straight line here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and let's continue. So the diagonal, you can then see that this one is pretty straightforward also. You can see that the diagonal is actually 2 diagonal of a 1 unit line. So this one I'm going to use a purple color. So since this is as straightforward as that, Mr. Tan here will also draw a diagonal 1, 2, 3. Why? Because 2 times 1.5 equals to 3. And of course the last one is pretty straightforward, because I now need to have is simply to join the 2 points together. And that will be my enlargement of 1.5 times. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.